Demonstrating ProJoint Polysweep. Step 1. Ensure the joints and surface are clean and dry and there's no rain forecasted at least 12 hours after application. Wearing appropriate PPE, distribute Polysweep evenly across the surface, then sweep the sand into the joints. Step 2. For block pavers, run a whacker plate over the area to consolidate sand in the joints. For paving slabs and sets, attach a rubber mat to the whacker or use a rubber mallet with a piece of wood. Top up low spots by sweeping more sand in the joints and repeating compaction. Step 3. Once the joints are full, sweep the area with a soft brush multiple times to remove excess surface dust or clear faster with a leaf blower. Step 4. Gently mist the paving area up to 45 square meters at a time, then allow the water to absorb for 5 minutes. Repeat the misting process 3 to 4 times, gradually adding more water until the last misting rinses any residual material from the surface. Blow away remaining surface water in textured pavers or natural stone with a leaf blower or remove with a soft brush. ProJoint Polysweep. Fast and easy application. Saves yearly repointing costs. Pressure washer, weed and frost resistant. Stain-free with advanced clear set technology. Suitable for block paving, natural stone, porcelain and concrete paving slabs and sets. Contains no Portland cement. Available in 2 colors. Before application, please read the product instructions and requirements in full. Think paving, think ProJoint. Thanks for watching.